Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am only Vijay, and today I am going to teach you lecture number 46 in the full course of MS Excel. Today we will talk about QR codes, specifically how you can generate QR codes for free within MS Excel. As you can see on the screen, I have generated a QR code here for my website. If you have a QR code scanner installed on your cell phone, you can scan this and easily visit my website. In the same way, you can easily generate QR codes for your own website or your social accounts, etc. So before starting the lecture, as always, I would like to say that if you are able to learn something new from today's video, please make sure to like and share this video, because your one like can help this video reach more and more people. So let's start today's lecture. To generate a QR code, you will need to install a small free add-in. So for this, what you need to do is go to Insert. After clicking on Insert, you need to click on Get Add-ins. As soon as you click here, the Office add-in store will open in front of you, and if you have already installed any add-ins, you can check them by clicking on My Add-ins. Just like I have installed an add-in here, which is QR for Office. First, I will remove it from here so that I can properly show you how to install it. After that, you need to go to the store. After clicking on Store, you need to type in the search bar here. For example, I typed QR for Office. Now, as soon as you write QR for Office and click on Search, you will see the add-in appear here. After that, you need to click on Add, and then you need to click on Continue. As soon as we click on Continue, the QR code panel will appear here like this. So I am deleting it from here, and after deleting, what do you need to select next? First of all, if you want to add your website here, you need to select HTTPS, then you need to type your website here. For example, my website is falconrick.com, and then after that, you have options here where you can also change the color of the QR code if you want, and you can also change its background here. So you can easily choose any color or background here as you like. So this is how you change the color here. For now, I'll set its background to white, and after that, what we need to do is adjust its size. So here we can also adjust its size like this. So you can set the size as you wish, and then after that, you need to click on Insert. As soon as we click on Insert, your QR code will be inserted onto the page. Now see, it has been inserted here, and in fact, I had clicked twice. It has been inserted twice, so click here, and by clicking on the corner, you need to make it smaller and adjust it here. So in this way, you can easily generate a QR code, and that too for free. After that, if you want to use it in any other application, just right-click on it and then click on Save as Images. Then you need to specify the path where you want to save it. Just like I typed here, I wrote QR code and then we save it on the desktop. Now, as you can see, it has been saved on your desktop. You can save it on your cell phone and use it anywhere very easily. So this was my lecture for today, in which I taught you how to generate QR codes for free in MS Excel. I hope you learned a lot of new things in today's lecture. If you liked the video, please like it and share it with your friends. See you in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.